How to reuse candle jars. If you're curious on how to repurpose a candle jar or how to remove the candle wax inside a jar, this video is for you. So the first thing I do when I know I'm going to keep this really cute candle jar is I go ahead and place it in the freezer once I'm done using it. And what this does, it just freezes the wax and it's much easier to remove when you take it out the next day. And as you can see, I am removing the wax with a spoon, and it just pops right out. And I used a knife to remove the wicker pieces at the very bottom. Once I'm done doing that, I used Dawn dish soap to get that thick wax coat in the inside. And I also used baking soda to remove the labels on the outside. There are many methods on how to remove labels and even wax, so do whatever you can with what you have available. And that's what I did. I had Dawn dish soap and baking soda, so that is what I used. And I'm super excited to show you guys what I do with these candle jars. The first jar, I used it for our craft supply, and I went ahead and stored our googly eyes so we can find them easily. I also labeled this jar to make it easy to find. The next jar, I used it in my daughter's room. It's this cute purple jar, so I thought it'd be perfect for her little things. The third jar, I went ahead and used it for more of our craft supply, and this truly just helps keep our things organized when we start crafting. This jar, a friend gifted it to me, and I thought it was perfect in my kitchen while I do dishes. And the last one went in our bathroom, and it was also perfect for my watch, bracelet, and wedding ring. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are new here. I will catch you in the next video. Bye!